Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone Air in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, one way you might consider doing it is by holding the volume up and this side button at the same time, just like this. And then you're going to go ahead and slide to power off, and that's going to first power it off. Now, another way you might do that is from the top here. You're going to see a power icon up here. You can just simply tap on that or click on it, and then you can slide to power off. Another method is going into your setting and then going general, and then all the way down here is the shutdown option, and you can slide to power off. Now all of this method will require you to press and hold down this side button or connect it to power in order to turn it back on. Now the simple and the easiest way to reboot it without having to do all this extra step in one shot is by Apple Intelligent Siri and ensuring that Siri is turned on. And with that turned on, you can get Siri to reboot your phone by issuing a command. So I'll say, "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone." Yes. And basically with the command, first asking it to reboot and then confirming it, will do a complete reboot without you having to use any of the buttons or the prompt through the screen. Just like that. And this method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. All of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. It's simply shutting down the phone software and then reloading it and powering it back on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.